Why is China's export surge causing price drops worldwide right now? The answer reveals a surprising ripple effect shaking global markets and your wallet. China has ramped up production dramatically, especially after pandemic disruptions eased. This surge in exports means more products like electronics, textiles, and machinery are available worldwide. When supply outpaces demand, prices naturally drop. This export flood is unlike anything seen in recent years, creating downward pressure on prices everywhere. After years of supply chain chaos, things are smoothing out. Shipping delays are shorter, ports are less congested, and raw materials are easier to get. This means Chinese goods reach buyers faster and in greater quantities. The combined effect boosts global supply, intensifying competition and driving prices down across industries. While China is exporting more, many countries face slower economic growth or cautious consumer spending. This mismatch means demand can't soak up the surplus. Sellers compete aggressively to attract buyers, leading to widespread price drops. It's a buyer's market fueled by excess supply and subdued demand. For consumers, this export surge often translates to lower prices for everyday goods like smartphones, clothing, and household items. While some industries may struggle, you benefit from increased affordability. However, businesses relying on higher prices might face challenges, showing how interconnected and complex the global economy really is. China's export surge is sending shockwaves through global markets, causing prices to fall and changing how you shop and spend. This surprising chain reaction shows the power of global trade and supply dynamics. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead of today's biggest trends.